Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're continuing our Flutter Basic Widget Series, and now we're going to dive deep into the AppBar widget. If you've watched our previous scaffold video, you're probably already familiar with AppBar. But today, we're going to explore it much more thoroughly. So, guys, what exactly is an AppBar? AppBar is a widget that appears at the top of your app screen. It's like a header or a navigation bar. If you look at almost any app, they all have an AppBar. The AppBar typically contains title, the app or page name, leading, back button or menu on the left, actions, action buttons on the right, bottom, optional tabs or search bar. What's great about AppBar is that it's built in with material design guidelines, so it looks good and consistent by default. Alright, let's start with the most basic one. This is the basic app bar that we use most often. Look at this. This is the most standard app bar. It has a title, Basic App Bar, an automatic back button because we navigated to this page, and action buttons on the right, favorite, share, and more options. What you need to remember: title for the app bar, title, actions for buttons on the right, leading automatically appears when navigating from another page. This is perfect for detail pages, forms, or other standard pages. Now, let's level up a bit. Sometimes we want to customize the back button or leading icon. Here's how. Look. The back button now has a rounded background and special styling. This looks much better than the standard back button. So, we override the leading property with our own custom widget. It can be an icon, logo, or anything that fits your brand guidelines. This is useful when you want to maintain consistency with your design system. Next, we have the search app bar. This is really cool. The app bar can transform into a search field. Look, when we tap the search icon, the title changes to a text field. We can immediately type to search, and to close it, just tap the close icon. The trick is here. We use a boolean is searching to toggle between normal mode and search mode. In search mode, the title becomes a text field widget. In normal mode, it's just text widget. This is perfect for apps that need search functionality, like e-commerce, social media, or apps with lots of data. Now, for something more advanced, tab app bar. This is for creating navigation with tabs. Cool, right? We can swipe or tap to switch tabs. Each tab has different content. To create this, we need several components. Key points. Default tab controller to manage tab state. Tab bar in app bar bottom for tab buttons, tab bar vn body for each tab's content. This is perfect for organizing content into categories, like Instagram has home, search, profile. Here's what makes our app bar more eye-catching. Gradient app bar. Look at this. The background has a gradient from blue to purple. This makes the design more modern and attractive, but creating it is a bit tricky. We wrap the app bar with a container that has gradient decoration, then make the app bar transparent. This is perfect for brands with signature colors or when you want a more premium UI. This one is really cool. Transparent app bar. The app bar becomes an overlay on top of content. Look, the app bar is transparent and you can see the content behind it. This creates a more immersive experience. There are several important properties. Key points. Extend body behind app bar. True, so body extends behind app bar. Background color. Transparent and elevation. 0. Don't forget to add top padding to content, so it's not covered by app bar. Transparent app bar. Perfect for hero images, profile pages, or landing pages that want to make a strong first impression. Last but not least, bottom app bar. This is an app bar at the bottom, usually for main navigation. Look, there are navigation icons on the left and right, and a floating action button docked in the center. Important points. Floating action button location dot center dot. So fab sticks to center. Circular notched rectangle. To create notch for fab. Row with space between to distribute icons. This is a great alternative to bottom navigation bar. More flexible and follows material design 3. Alright guys, before we wrap up, here are some important tips. 1. Color consistency. Make sure app bar colors are consistent with your app theme. Use app colors or theme dot of context. 2. Action buttons. Don't put too many action buttons. Maximum 3 or 4. Put the most important ones on the right, less important ones in overflow menu. 3. Title length. If the title is long, it will auto-truncate. But it's better to make titles short and clear. 4. Accessibility. Don't forget to add semantic labels for screen readers. 5. State management. For dynamic app bars like search, make sure state management is proper. Use set state for simple cases or other state management solutions for complex ones. 6. Performance. If using gradients or custom widgets, pay attention to performance. Don't rebuild unnecessarily. Alright guys, that's our complete guide to the AppBar widget. We've covered 7 different types of app bar, from basic to advanced. Key takeaways. App bar is the navigation bar at the top of the screen. There are many variations for different needs. Choose based on UX and brand guidelines. Don't forget accessibility and performance. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Happy coding!